So, Prachi, okay. Where were we? Okay. So, tell me something about your home automation business. Just quickly, so that people know what you do as such. And yeah. So, if you can just share some thoughts around why did you? Okay, so let's look at it. Why did you enter a home automation business? Was that your primary line, or did you think that there was opportunity out there? So, how did you go on, maybe analyzing where to get into? Right. Even today, as I understand just now as we spoke, that you are getting into the electric bike segment, right? So these are completely different
Yes.
segments in as such. So how do you decide which segment to get into and things like those? So how does this thought process work for you?
Actually, I'm a professional lighting designer. I'm a professional home automation system integrator.
Okay.
Then I've decided to start my own company. I'm KNX certified with more than 400 plus manufacturing access. So I like to develop this software. I like to develop this system. With the help of this system, you can control anything via single app. For, let's say you want to control your lighting, your dimming, your fan, your ACs, your building automation system. You can control via single app. This is a simple system. But I'm from technology background. I would like to go with technology thing where I can help out with to people with my technology. So this is the simple funda. I just want to give the best thing from my side.
Okay. So you keep on leaning back to technology
Yeah.
as such, and whatever is into technology, you really love that, and you go ahead with that as a product. That's how you go for it, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So,
And recently we have also yeah.
yeah, tell me. Recently, you have.
Recently, we have developed one cloud-based smoke sensor by which we can control different things. Like from that cloud-based sensor, you can control your entire firefighting system.
Oh, wow. Okay. So you have
Yeah,
a big R&D team with
and
you
it is
as such.
completely by Skylab.
Okay. So
Sorry.
you have a big R&D system as R&D division as such.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We have our own team. Yeah,
But
R&D team.
manufacturing an electric bike is not a child's play at all, right?
Yes, yes.
Manufacturing an electric bike is not, I mean, something that you don't dream normally. No. In the sense of, unless you are from the system,
Yes, yes.
unless you are from the tech thing. So you already have a good team to support you in
Yes,
this entire thing. Okay. So,
yes,
is there a
yes.
message to other mavens, some experts who wanting to get into this industry or wanting to become a maven and are just skeptical, maybe they don't know what to do and what to expect. So, is there a message that you would like to give all of them as such?
Yes. First and very important thing is that honesty is the best policy. If
Mm-hmm.
you are in business, you should be an honest person first. Then
Mm-hmm.
you should be an authentic person. Then people will come to you, they will ask you about solution and always try to be servant leader. If you want to be servant leader, you can solve anybody's problem. So
Mm-hmm.
always try to solve your customer's problem. Then they
Okay.
will give you n number of things and try to satisfy your end user, your client, because client is the key for your success. So which is followed by me till it.
Oh, okay. Super. So that's a great thing.
Because
Yeah.
I because I think your network is your net worth, we can say.
Right. And your network is something that will help you grow. Absolutely, you're right. Right. So that's a very good message
Yes.
for the mavens who are just thinking whether they should be, whether they'll be successful or not, or what will happen, if they come into this industry. So I think this entire conversation that we have had, it was quite a profound one for me, because there are a lot of things that I've learned from you as a person. First things like patriotism, which is innately built into you. Second is the passion that you talk about the subject. The passion is easily seen when someone interacts with you and in your talks and in everything that you do. And not only in this interaction, in even the earlier interactions, you were passionate about, you were direct, you wanted to know, you are very timely. So that all helps, and I think these are all the skills that are required for a Maven to be successful as such, right? What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for being here and helping me out write this book online. Uh, this was just a request from my side, but I'm so happy that you gladly accepted this
Okay.
request
Okay. Yes.
and you came on board.
Yes.
You have helped me out, and I'm just thinking and hoping that this book becomes a great success, and so do you as well with all your future things that you're planning for. So thank you so much,
Thank you
and
so much.
I am sure I'll pick your brains later on for more information, for more insights as such. I hope that's okay with you.
Yes.
Obviously, with
Thank
proper
you
planning,
so much.
proper meeting stuff. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. God bless you all.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye for now.
Yeah. Bye bye. Take care.
So I have. Okay, I'm just going to stop recording.
Yeah.